Do you have trouble sleeping and you have tinnitus? Well, you might find that you're in a vicious cycle. So, if you're having trouble sleeping, your body is under a constant state of stress because it's not able to rest and restore. When your body's under a constant state of stress, it's really difficult for your brain to habituate or ignore your tinnitus. But because your tinnitus is loud, you're going to have trouble sleeping. So we can kind of get into this vicious cycle. So it's really important that we use strategies throughout the day and at night to help make the tinnitus seem softer, to make it easier for us to fall asleep, but also following good sleep hygiene so that we're getting good restful sleep. So simple things as using sound in your environment, making sure that you go to bed at the same time every day and wake up at the same time every morning. Don't work out before you go to bed. Make sure that your room is dark and it's cool. Don't drink caffeine or eat too close to your bedtime. All of these things are going to impact your ability to get a good night's sleep and your brain's ability to habituate to your tinnitus. All right, friends, I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. If you want more information on tinnitus, please leave those in the comments below and I will get back to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.